It's a sprinkler.
I like people freaking falling.
It's so loud, too. They're getting too close, bro.
Yeah, y'all getting too close.
So
We're
loud.
letting them.
Oh,
That one fell down. That one fell down. Guys, that one fell down.
Something just...
that one fell down right there.
Something
One fell
fell.
down. One fell down.
Something fell in my hand. Here, come over here.
Yeah, guys.
One fell right over there. I literally saw it.
One fell right there. Guys, sorry about the interruptions. It's a little cray cray.
Okay.
So it's gonna be all pink. It's gonna be all pink and pretty.
Yeah, it's gonna be all pink and pretty. They're doing fireworks over there. Wait, you two can see. Run! Run!
You doing pretty pink one?
He's doing the pretty pink one?
Yes.
Wait!
And send it to me too. Okay. Better be pink too. I'm on.
If it's like rose pink.
Is it video?
Oh!
Oh, the picture's not...
Oh, it's getting too close.
Why is it like falling so close?
Why is it so much?
No. It's actually really close.
Wait. Why are we running from fireworks?
My user are running so
That's how my sister started talking. Oh no. Oh no, that was supposed to be pink. Not whatever that
You see that? There's like, do you see that light inside of me?
Oh my. I had to pause the video. I'm so ready.
That's lame.
That's the one we had.
Oh yeah, that's the one we had. Guys,
It's like fast. Guys, we can do the big one.
no, please don't do the big one. Do not do the big one. We're all going to. I'm a little nervous. Not because I'm scared of fireworks, obviously. But my little cousin's up there. Oh, let's see.
Sorry.
Want me to record? No, it's okay. Let me see.
Yeah, you can't see anything.
Okay, you can shut up.
Dude, we might be getting your iPhone.
No! Guys! No, I'm scared.
I want to do it in the back.
Oh, wait. I'm scared. I'm hiding behind my sisters.
No, you're not hiding behind me. Move. Oh, shoot. Where even is it, guys?
Guys, where is it?
Wait, where is it?
Is that it?
Well, I don't like these because they go straight. And it's like scary.
No.
Raining on us.
What do you mean it's raining on us?
What do you mean it's raining? Shut up, you're joking.